TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut and welcome to a video that I'm excited to share. I've got a few things to announce, the first of which is that we'll be trialing the YouTube membership feature for TipTut. I've thought long and hard about what I want to do with TipTut in the future and how and where I want to take the channel, and I've come to the following conclusion. I want to spend more time learning, teaching and making tutorials on YouTube, but I will absolutely not compromise on one thing: accessibility. All of the tutorial content I make will be free to access on the channel with no paywalls forever. With that said, of course, it's becoming harder and harder to dedicate the time to TipTut that it deserves, as I have to focus naturally on the jobs that pay the bills. Therefore, I've decided to open up memberships to TipTut. What this means is you can become a member on the channel and receive a few perks in exchange for a small monthly donation, similar to Patreon but hosted right here at YouTube. Now I want to make sure I can deliver the perks, so for now there's 2 small levels, but if there's specific perks you're interested in, let me know in the comments and I'll consider all of them equally. The first perk for 99 pence a month gets you access to unique badges and emotes that show you're part of the TipTut zone and are basically bragging rights. They appear next to your name when you comment or in live chat, but you also get access to exclusive community posts where I can respond to questions and interact with you guys on a more personal level. The second and final perk for now is $1.99 a month. What you get was on the previous perk, but also for each month that you're a member, I'll give you a shout out during each tutorial video I make. Could be as often as once a week, 4 times a month. You'll get public thanks and my eternal gratitude. For now, that's all the levels, but I have considered some more for the future, such as specific tutorial requests, monthly design feedback, and creator spotlights. But as stated before, all my tutorial content will remain open to everyone, whether you're a member or not. That's not going to change. Becoming a member will help ensure that TipTut is around for a good long while, helping you with your design, editing, graphics, illustration troubles. I really would appreciate if you would consider becoming a member of the TipTut zone, but whether you do or not, please know that I'm super grateful for each and every single one of you guys, because without you, this wouldn't be possible. Additionally, I hope to be testing out some new merch in the coming weeks too. I've ordered some samples to make sure I'm happy with the quality, so keep your eyes peeled on the store. Once again, thank you, always be creative, and I look forward to welcoming you to the TipTut zone. See you later.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.